Tonight's our last night in America, so we're eating Taco Bell and we're drinking Evan Williams and Coke.
Hey, we're Brandon and Alyssa. We saved $30,000 so we can travel for a year.
For the first part of our adventure, we've decided to move into our Prius for an epic summer road trip from San Diego to Canada.
We have no itinerary, no idea how far we'll get, and no clue what we're doing.
All we know is we plan to go until one of us decides, here's good. Good morning. We slept at this rest stop last night. It was glorious. It's the last stop before Canada. Brandon is making us breakfast with all of our leftover food because we have to get rid of all of the meat and cheese and nuts and everything you can't bring to Canada. So we're having roast beef sandwiches and peanuts for breakfast. And then we're attempting to get to Canada. Brandon did all the paperwork yesterday, so hopefully we get in. Well, first we're gonna go get gas because it's $3.99 in the town right before Canada. And it's like $6.15 in Canada. Brandon's never been to Canada. He also was in charge of doing all the paperwork while I edited video yesterday. So we'll see if he did it right.
We'll see. We don't have any reservations. They could be like, why don't you have reservations? So that's my concern.
Well, then we ditch Canada and we go to Mexico where they allow us. It's like a 30-minute wait today. I feel like it's always
stressful,
like,
yeah. No
matter what border you're crossing. I've been to 30 countries. Every time it's still like, what if they don't let me in? We have picked the wrong line. We've gone 2 cars in our line and about 7 cars in that line.
Our dude ain't letting anybody in.
Asking all the questions. Update, we have switched lanes. We're now behind another Californian. Brandon feels better about this. It's almost our turn.
Hello. Yes.
Where do you guys live?
San Diego.
What brings you here?
Just leisure, going to Banff.
Are you bringing any goods to leave in Canada?
No.
Any guns or weapons on board?
No, sir.
What?
Oh my God, we made it. Woohoo!
The best place on earth. Hello.
I don't know. So far, I got nothing but good things to say.
It's a change from miles per hour because we don't know what kilometers are.
103.
We are headed to Vancouver. We have no idea what we're doing, but we do know that the dollar here is worth $1.30 in Canadian. So our budget got significantly larger.
We're balling out.
So for every $10 we spend, it only costs us $7.70.
Hell
So
yeah.
like, that's fire. We are on day 51 of travel today. So we made it to Canada at day 51, and we only have 101 days of travel until Europe. So 50 more days after today. We're at the halfway mark.
First stop in Vancouver, the Granville Public Market. I am in desperate need of a coffee, and we might get a quick snack while we're at it. This place is jamming. There is a dizzying amount of vendors. Everywhere you look, there's something new. I feel like we keep going in the same direction, but everything is new.
There's like Italian, teriyaki, tacos, pad thai, fish and chips, coffee, lemonade, gelato, pickles. I'm overwhelmed.
A lot of times places like this can be like touristy and there's not a lot of value and there's not a whole lot of quality, but this place is quite a surprise. So was the public market in Seattle. They're tourist destinations for sure, but the quality and the price is not ridiculous.
We have decided we like it so much we're gonna get on a ferry. I think it's like 14 bucks for an all-day pass. We just paid for limited parking and we're getting on a ferry. We don't know where it goes, we don't know what we're doing, but we're ferrying. everyone got off here, so we decided to follow them. It's called Yaletown.
Yaletown. I could spend so many hours just walking around this beautiful city. This is a really cool neighborhood. Super high-end, super clean, super modern, very expensive. Almost too nice. So we're gonna see if we can find somewhere dumpier.
Back to the ferry.
This is like one of the most beautiful cities I've ever seen. If modern, like urban architecture is your thing, it's like insane that every single block, the density is crazy and just how brand new, neat. It looks like it was put together with tweezers. Everything is like so meticulously designed. It's really cool.
Tell me about your day in Vancouver.
First of all, this place is amazing. Second of all, I just spent a whole day getting shuttled around on the ocean or the bay, whatever this is, from bar to bar, like some sort of wealthy bar crawl.
For $13.
Yeah, spot on, 10 out of 10 so far.
This city is so cool. Good morning. This place worked out good. There was a porta-john to use all night, so that was great. The morning was babies and dogs and all kinds of people doing meetups. So it's early. We're getting out of here. We're gonna go get Brandon his first Tim Hortons. And oh wait, you've had it before.
I had Tim Hortons when I was on a bar crawl through the Mall of America.
Oh, so he's never had it in Canada.
Yeah.
We're getting Canadian Tim
The
Hortons.
OG Hortons.
And then it's been a few days since we've been to Planet Fitness, so we're gonna go do that because there's one here in Vancouver. And then Chinatown?
Chinatown, yeah.
All right.
Catch you later, hosers. All I got was black coffee. You're supposed to get a double-double, which is 2 things of cream, 2 things of sugar. I don't take any of that in my coffee, just the hard stuff. My boy Tim knows how to make a mean cup of coffee. Whoa.
What was it?
I don't know. It's something that they put just for tourists, and it is just a clock that puts on a steam show every hour.
It's a million degrees outside, so we popped in for a $5 Guinness. It's too hot to sit in the car. We got cheap sour cream and onion chips. We're sitting at the park waiting until it gets cool enough to sit in the car. This is what everyone's doing, not just us.
Well, everyone without air conditioning.
Yeah. Those people have burritos. The people over there, they brought crock pots. They're grilling corn. This woman is sleeping. People having their own happy hour. It's great. It's a nice little park. We're still outside. It's still hot. The weather has drastically changed for the better. It's like 63 and so windy. I'm so excited.
This is what we were expecting.
We just woke up, packed up a car, and now we're headed to Tim Hortons because we're so tired.
Richmond Public Market, must hit. That place was like Panda Express on steroids.
Yeah.
Vancouver is famous for its Cantonese population, and there was 1,000 different Cantonese style places in there, and they all specialized in different items, and there were some really unique things that looked incredible.
We arrived at the Richmond night market. We were gonna go to happy hour, but we decided we have drinks, so we may as well just drink in the parking lot until it opens. We're about an hour early, but they said to get here half an hour early because the line fills up. Yeah, we don't know a lot. We just know this is the largest market
In
North America. Let's night market.
Tonight we are at the Richmond Market, the largest night market in all of North America. Bring your loonies and toonies and let's find out what we can eat. Yo, this place is insanely expensive.
Way expensive.
Really expensive. So I'm surprised at how small it is. Also, for a city with as much amazing food as this, the food just kind of looks okay, and it's easily double the price of anywhere we've seen. First impressions, what do you think?
Not a fan. No.
Yeah, I was saying the number one attraction here is a bowl of cup noodles with 2 prawns
For
on it.
$16.
I think you can do better.
We've also had some great food the last 2 days that we've been here, and it's better looking than everything here. I can't say it's better tasting, but I don't want to spend my money here. I'd rather spend $12 at a ramen place that like we went to yesterday.
We had the opportunity to eat at the Richmond Public Market for 1/10 of the price, and the food looked 10 times as good.
Don't forget to subscribe to see where we go next.